Hey guys, Technomentor with the video for you guys. In today's video, we're going to show you how to fix this issue where you have SIM not supported on your iPhone. What does this mean? And a couple things you can do to try to fix it. So let's get started. First of all, if you're getting this error message, SIM not supported, most likely it's because your iPhone is carrier locked to the original carrier or the previous carrier. And you might think it's been unlocked, but it hasn't. That's why it's giving you this message. But if you know for sure your carrier unlocked it, we'll show you a couple things you can do to get this fixed as well. So first thing is verify with your carrier, the original carrier, that if it's unlocked or not. You can call them up. Usually a carrier will unlock your phone if a couple things happen. First of all, the phone has to be paid off with them. It has to have a good standing on your balance, so you shouldn't have any balance on it. Also, sometimes they require a certain length of activation on that carrier network before they can unlock it. And finally, you may have to be the original account holder that bought the phone on their network and they can unlock it for you. So call the customer service for whatever the carrier it is and ask them to unlock your iPhone, and usually they'll do it within 24 hours to 48 hours, and you should be able to use a new SIM card. Now, if you know that your carrier mentioned that it's been unlocked, so couple troubleshooting step you want to do. First thing is go ahead and take your SIM card out that you put in. So it's on the left hand side. It might be on the right hand side, but you'll see a hole right here. Take your SIM ejector tool. If you don't have this, you can take a paper clip as well, or a earring piece that can go in that hole, and just pop that SIM card out just like that. And once you pop it out, just simply put it back in, and hopefully it reads it. Now, if it doesn't read it and you're still getting the issue where SIM is not supported, or you also want to verify if it's unlocked for sure, the new carrier that the SIM card that you have is activated and your account is good to go, and your new carrier can tell you if it is. If it's not active and valid, it will not work. Now, let's say you're still having the issue and you know it's been unlocked. Maybe it's not, you're not sure. The next thing you want to do is go into your setting of your iPhone, go down to General, and then go to About. And when you're in this page, you're going to wait about 30 seconds or so to see if there's a carrier update. A message will pop up that says update your carrier if the carrier update was pushed to your phone, and this is the way to update the carrier. Now, also, if you scroll down a little bit further, you'll see something called carrier lock. Now, this tells you if the phone has been unlocked or not. So this one, as you can see here, it's been carrier locked. So that means SIM lock. Basically, it's still locked to the original carrier. So I can still use the original carrier, but I can't use another carrier. Now, a phone that has been unlocked will say something like this: no SIM restriction. So this means the phone has been unlocked. So once you get no SIM restriction, you can use it on any carrier. So check that out, and after that, hopefully you get that software or that carrier update. Now, if you did that and you're still not getting any, if you're still having an issue, the next thing to do is in your settings again, we're going to go to General, go all the way down here under Transfer Reset iPhone, click on Reset, and we want to do a network reset. Basically, a network reset deletes all network related settings like saved Wi-Fi and any Bluetooth connected devices. You just have to reconnect them. It will not delete any of your personal data. It will take about 30 seconds to a minute to do, but you want to go ahead and do a network reset. Now, after doing a reset and it's still not working, it's time to go ahead into your main settings, go to General, do a software update. Sometimes a previous update might be causing issues with the bug fix going on, so you want to update your phone. Give yourself about half an hour to 45 minutes to update. Make sure your phone is at least 50% or more charged or connected to a charger, and hopefully after doing the update it is working for you. And in a scenario where you're still getting that SIM not supported, again, you want to verify with your previous carrier the SIM has been unlocked, carrier has been unlocked, so it can use the SIM card. In a case that they don't unlock it for you, unfortunately you really can't do anything. You'll have to use the existing carrier on the SIM card that you have. And that's fixes for SIM not supported. I hope this video was helpful. So please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. See you guys next time.